Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. We're currently at a place called Sweet Spice. My brethren's down here tell me that he has some of the best fried chicken. We're here for breakfast. It's kind of like a hole in the wall kind of spot because it's just like, it's kind of hidden off. If you don't know where it is, it's going to be hard to find. But anyway, we're here getting some breakfast. Last night I was really feeling for some more ackee and saltfish, but I wanted it more I'm a regular Jamaican person that's just on the streets, having their own business and doing it, but unfortunately they don't have that. We're getting stewed chicken today. Stewed chicken is a basic Jamaican breakfast. I don't know how special it can be, but either way it's going to be a lot more affordable, and there's a higher chance it's going to even taste more like what Jamaicans expect. Alright, so I want you guys to guess what tea I have in my cup and what tea does Judah have in her cup. Drop it in the comments. Yes. Thank you very much. Yo, I never expect to get so much banana, and dumpling. Bruh, they're trying to feed me like I'm a horse. Well, alright, so we just had our breakfast just now and it was pretty good, especially for the price point. We spent about $13 US for both of us. We got 2 meals, you got tea, I got 2 cups of tea as well, so that was definitely worth it. And then I also was able to tip a good percentage off the meal cost, so that's also a vibe as well. So anyone that's ever coming here to take the trip out, if you want to spread some of the love, whether it is by going to other restaurants, dropping a tip to some of the other locals outside of the resort area, feel free to do so. All right.
Get everything on the safe. Passports, everything. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ski bomba. I don't say most of a friend. Huh? Yeah. What's up? Our next person who has been fundamental on the vlogs finally is back. You remember? Oh. No, cut it out.
Cut it out. I don't like being in the vlog anymore.
Welcome back to Chillpops, where I'm stuck with you and we are always smiling. Guys, I love it here. I'm back here for another time to have some more Chillpops, so let's put our orders in and see what we have today.
I want my picture though. Like, I want my picture. So I'll just go.
You ready?
Yeah.
She miserable? She orders my food the way how she wants to eat it. Can you imagine that? It's crazy, bro. As you should. Period.
Alright guys, so you might have noticed we did leave the Rockhouse Hotel, and overall it was a fantastic stay. As an accommodation, I'll give it a 9.5. It is what you expect, you know, being on the rocks by the sea. I mean, it's so beautiful there, it's cool. The staff is exceptional. The people there are just so friendly, they're very attentive. Exceptional stay. The only downsides I might say of the property is the food. If I were to rate the food, I'll give it a 6. I mean, based on what you're spending, it really isn't worth it to me, if I'm supposed to be very honest. Of course, if you're from America and you earn foreign currency, then maybe you're generally spending about that amount. But the night before we left, we stopped at the street food spot, and we spent, I would say, about $40 for dinner, and that paid for dinner for 3 persons, and we had the option of trying different dishes. So if you really want to enjoy Jamaica a little bit more to, you know, a traditional sense, then you can definitely go to some street food spots while you're at the Rockhouse, and you can definitely get a nice taste of what Jamaica has to offer. And as you guys might have realized, we did stop by Chillpops. That's one place I would recommend you to stop. It's very affordable there, it's very up to date, it's beautiful, and the food tastes really, really good. I've never had a popsicle that was that tantalizing. It was really good. So we made sure that we stopped before we went back. I don't find that it's anywhere else on the island just as yet, so it's a novelty whenever you are on the west end of Jamaica. Anyhow, we are going to head out right now. If you guys like videos like these, you want to see, you know, me take more trips out, you know, drop it in the comments, say so excited. I'll definitely set up more plans for that. And if you just like videos like these in general, drop a like on the video. I'll definitely appreciate that. Let's see what we have stored next. Maybe I end the video here, or maybe there's something else. I don't know. Drop a like and we'll see what's next on the next step. Alright, so we just made a quick stop. I need to do 2 things. I need to get to the bank, and then I need to fuel up the car. Those who might want to know, a full tank from Kingston to Negril for my car. It's now on quarter tank, so it's not too bad for such a long drive. Alright, let's get some cash.
Don't get me wrong, I'm not buying. Don't get me wrong, I'm not bad as you. I'm looking for you, I'm looking for you.
Alright, so we're currently by the Knutsford Express in Montego Bay. Judah has something important that she needs to send off back to Kingston. If you're a Montegonian and you love Montego Bay, drop it in the comments. Let me know if you're from here. Yeah, growing up as a kid, I went to prep school in Montego Bay, so you don't know, it has, you know, great sentiments for me. Persons have been dropping comments saying to me, you know, what's the nicest places to stay at in Montego Bay or Kingston. So seeing that I'm passing through Montego Bay, I'm going to be staying somewhere else down here. So I hope it's going to be a very nice place. It seems to be very nice. And I hope you guys enjoy videos like these. Drop a comment and drop a like on the video. Stop, just taking out the stuff that we need, all the bags. Alright, so we're finally here. Of course, you know we gotta have the sanitization. So we're sanitized, and it's time to do a quick check-in.
You have the all-inclusive package, so that means breakfast, lunch, and dinner is included, and then you have late night snacks for tonight. Tomorrow night, the late night snacks early cuts off at 10:30. Breakfast starts at 7, lunch at noon, dinner at 6.
Alright guys, so this is our second hotel stop. We just came from the Rockhouse, as you guys knew, and we're currently here. Oh, thank you. So at this moment we're doing an overall hotel review on this spot. We're gonna see how nice it is here, to be quite honest. This is an all-inclusive spot. Usually I'm not a fan of all-inclusives, but I find them to be a lot more affordable, and hopefully the food here will be good. We're doing the conventional COVID checks. They're asking a bunch of questions that, you know, of course you will have to answer, just for the whole safety of yourself and anyone else that, you know, might be staying here. Fortunately enough, they have a laundry service. I did come back with some laundry from the last stop, so hopefully I can use it as soon as possible. All right, so I'll catch you guys whenever we get to the room, and then we can continue from there. All right, so we are here. From the outside, it does look a little bit strange, but once you get inside, it's more like a apartment villa kind of setup. We have the bellman here that is helping us with the bags. I took my complimentary drink. This is a rum punch or something like that. And yeah, Judah is there with her fine self, looking like my rum punch. Oh, tall glass of juice. All right, so thank you very much, sir. Appreciate it. All right. Oh, do you see how much places I got to like hold on to? Acrobatics! Yo, dope. So far. All right. I'll buy the tablet. That's so cool. So here we have the planner. Now we got roll. player. Bougie. Bro said bougie. I like that.
Steamer, the safe, and the laundry basket.
Steamer is for like sanitization or just?
No, the iron.
Oh, for the clothes. Okay, cool.
They would iron because, you know, there are a lot of guests that leave on a bad note and they might just let it plug in.
Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense.
It's from 7 a.m. until 11 a.m. And all day dining is from 11 a.m. until 11 p.m. So you scroll, anything you need.
What restaurants do you guys have?
Alright, we have 2 restaurants on the property. So there's one by the main pool, which is for lunch, that is the Camera. And then there's one.
Now, as you guys can see, I'm now comfortably in the Zoe Hotel in Montego Bay, and as far as I'm concerned, this is definitely the best hotel room that I've ever been in inside of Kingston, and quite possibly inside Jamaica. Most hotel rooms that you find, they have that, you know, the conventional hotel look, that 1 or 2 beds, and then yeah, it almost feels like just almost like a studio apartment. I do like how they have sectioned off everything in this spot. Yeah, I haven't gotten the chance to show you guys exactly how everything looks right now, but what I might do, if you guys do want to see like a room tour, just drop some comments and just say you want to see the room tour before we get it all messed up, and I'll definitely show you each section of this room so you can have a live idea what it might look like. So far I am utterly pleased. I would definitely give this room a 10 out of 10. It definitely has met expectations and, you know, quite possibly exceeded them. Alright guys, so we're gonna end this video right here. Again, if you want to see what the room looks like, drop a comment and just say Soai excited, and also drop a like on the video if you do appreciate these hotel videos where we get to show you some of the best spots inside of Jamaica in the different locations and give you an honest review if it might be something that you might be interested in. Anyway guys, remember 3 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.